Eric Sturkin with Better Qualified, a proud member of My Realty Resource Center. We together focus on home ownership, and we try to get homeowners in their homes, and if any financial issues come about, we're both in the arena of getting people approved. We like to work with homeowners if they don't approve. We're Better Qualified. We've been doing this for 10 years. We're business and consumer credit specialists. If you have any issues, anything on a credit report, whether it's a mortgage late to a credit card late or even a collection notice, don't do anything before you contact My Realty Resource Center. Our partnership together with the group has been one that we look to do a lot for the homeowners in the next years to come. Thanks a lot.